Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Dodge Charger. You're trying to find where the fuse for the power outlet in the center console is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Also known, it's known as a cigarette lighter fuse. All that will be covered today. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses, common mistakes people make when replacing fuses and relays that can cost you thousands of dollars, and where to buy cheap fuses from, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So most people, guys, okay, will open the hood and they will be hoping that this fuse will be in that really easy accessible fuse box right here, but it's not there. It's at a hidden place. Now sometimes, guys, okay, we read quite often in the comments people ask for a good scanner too, because practically the market is flooded with those things. But this is our favorite scanner that's purchased with our own money. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Check it out. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It can access every computer module, and some of these cars, guys, like that BMW here, it has more than 60 computers, so definitely you need a tool like that. Let's show you where that hidden fuse is now. So you need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you're going to leave that cargo cover here, and underneath it you will have your spare tire, you will have your car battery, guys. Now, common mistake people make here, guys, very common mistake people make, by the way. They will first, for certain fuses, it's important to disconnect the car battery. If you do not disconnect it, you can cause damage to the electrical system, computer modules, all kind of electronics. Number 2, on these new cars, it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect first. If you disconnect the wrong battery terminal, you can easily, guys, okay, burn electronics modules. How we know that? We did that on a Mercedes, and it cost us $2,000 to fix an airbag module. Here is your fuse box to the very back of the car, behind the battery. Press that thing and pull it up. Now, right here, guys, if you come, you're going to notice the fuses and the relays. You have different kinds. It's another thing that people make a simple mistake. They, guys, okay, often what they do, they actually do not test fuses. They try to see if they're good. They look through the window, through the fuse itself, and sometimes you cannot clearly tell that. So always test them so you don't put a back fuse in the fuse box and you start wasting money and time to fix a problem that doesn't exist. We will put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, guys. All that will be on our channel. Check it out. Fuse that we need to check. If you come in that fuse box right here, check out that fuse box here, the one on the very right side, okay, the very right side, that 20 amp fuse, that's the one for the power outlet in the center console. You grab that fuse with the fuse puller and pull it out. You can see it came out just like that. Perfect. Now we're going to get the new one and install it. All right, and come on, go. Perfect. Then all we have to do, close it, cover it, you're ready to go, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.